Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here. February is upon us, and while it may be the shortest month, it's jam-packed with reasons to celebrate, learn, and maybe even eat some extra snacks. We're going to take a whirlwind tour through all 28 days of February, highlighting some significant holidays, observances, and maybe even some delicious food days. Because we believe in making knowledge accessible to everyone, we're going to keep our language clear and simple, perfect for English learners or anyone who just loves a good, concise explanation. So, whether you're here for a refresher on Black History Month or you're curious about National Banana Bread Day, spoiler alert, it's a thing, we've got you covered. So grab your calendar, your thinking cap, and maybe a snack or two, and let's dive into the wonderful world of February. February 1st marks the start of Black History Month in the US and Canada. Will Punxsutawney Phil see his shadow? It's Groundhog Day. Today we unite to raise awareness and support those affected by cancer. Chapter 4. February 4th, Remembering Rosa Parks, A Legacy of Courage. Today we honor Rosa Parks and her act of defiance against segregation. Chapter 5. February 5th. A big thank you to our weather person. It's National Weather Person's Day. Time to thank those who keep us informed. Chapter 6. February 6th. Standing up for rights and protection. Today is the International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. Brighten someone's day. It's Send a Card to a Friend Day. Pop the question. For some, it's the most romantic day, Propose Day. Chocolate lovers rejoice. It's Chocolate Day, a day to savor every bite. February 10th, Teddy Bears and Warm Fuzzies. It's Teddy Day. Celebrate love and friendship with a cuddly companion on Teddy Day. February 11th, Promises Made, Promises Kept. It's Promise Day. Make a promise, keep a promise. It's Promise Day, a reminder of commitment. February 12th, Share a hug, spread the love. A warm embrace can go a long way. It's Hug Day. Chapter 13, Pucker Up, it's Kiss Day, a day for sharing smooches with loved ones. Chapter 14, it's the day of love, whether romantic, platonic, or self-love, celebrate it all. Chapter 15, Celebrating Singlehood and Self-Love, you are awesome just as you are. Chapter 16, February 16th, Brighten someone's day, do a grouch a favor day, spread some kindness and see a frown turn upside down. Chapter 17, February 17th, Kindness Matters, it's Random Acts of Kindness Day, sprinkle kindness like confetti, celebrate Random Acts of Kindness Day. Chapter 18, February 18th, Power Up, it's National Battery Day, thank those little powerhouses that keep our devices running. Chapter 19, February 19th, Minty Fresh, it's National Chocolate Mint Day, love it or hate it, it's National Chocolate Mint Day. Chapter 20, February 20th, Building a Fairer World. Today is World Day of Social Justice. Let's advocate for equality and fairness. Chapter 21, February 21st, Celebrating Linguistic Diversity. It's International Mother Language Day. Celebrate the beauty of languages. Engage your mind and explore important issues on World Thinking Day. Warm, comforting, and delicious, it's National Banana Bread Day. Celebrate the perfect snack companion, it's National Tortilla Chip Day. February 25th, a bowl of comfort, it's National Clam Chowder Day. Warm up with a delicious bowl of clam chowder today. Chapter 26, February 26th, Once Upon a Time, it's Tell a Fairy Tale Day. Spark imagination and magic, it's Tell a Fairy Tale Day. Chapter 27, February 27th, Protecting Our Arctic Giants. International Polar Bear Day. Raising awareness for these magnificent creatures. Chapter 28, February 28th, Raising Awareness for Rare Diseases. Today is Rare Disease Day. Let's show our support for those affected. That's a wrap on February. And that, my friends, is February in a nutshell. Well, maybe not a nutshell, more like a giant calendar filled with celebrations, awareness days, food holidays, and everything in between. We hope you learned something new, rediscovered an old favorite, or maybe even just had a little fun exploring the month with us. Remember, every day is a chance to learn, grow, and connect with the world around us. If you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of February, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. See you next time.